I started with spoon carving a few years ago, and it was just pure curiosity. This is the most important room for me in this house. This is a room where I spend way too much time. This is a room for creation and recreation. To fit in my collection, it has to be useful. And everything you see in here is tools that I use. And I got carving knife, and I got the spoon knife. And the spoon knife is like the bended one. I have no idea how many axes I have, and I have no idea how many knives I have, but there's way too many spoons in here. I use like 2 or 3 in the kitchen, and that's it. And I think there's like 200 or 300 laying around.